put that knife down. Do you want to get shot or not? Drop the knife. Drop it.
On September 27, 2025, officers from the Buffalo Police Department were dispatched to handle an unknown trouble call at local apartments. Upon arrival, the scene was already in chaos.
Yo, put that down. Put that knife down. Put that knife down. Put the knife down. Buffalo Police. Buffalo Police. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the fucking knife. Get over here. Drop the knife. Drop the fucking knife. I'm not playing with you.
He touched me.
Do you want to get shot or not? Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it. Come on, listen. Drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife. Yo, Marcus, you got a taser? Drop the knife. It's not this serious. Drop it. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife. You got a taser? Drop the knife.
Drop the knife, baby. I don't give a fuck. He touched me. I'm gonna beat my any day. He touched me.
Drop the knife. We get it. We get it. We get it. We get it.
Stop me. Touch me.
Listen. Drop the knife and talk to me.
Just fight back.
Sweetheart, drop the knife and talk to me.
No, fuck that.
You do have the right to fight back.
He touched me.
Sweetheart, relax, relax.
What you talking about?
Nobody wants to hurt you. Relax. Calm
No.
down.
And then my bitch. And then
Hey,
hell
hey,
no.
hey.
Fuck that. No.
Drop the
No.
knife, sweetheart.
No. Fuck your back. Fuck up. No.
We're not. Calm down,
If you
calm
gonna
down.
touch me, stop me. You got me fucked up, bro.
Over this.
Drop it. Oh, oh, oh.
You got me fucked up.
All right.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Listen. You don't want to do that. Listen to me. Look at me. You don't want to do that because the blood will come out. You don't want to do it. Listen to me. I got it. Baby. Move over. Listen, hear me out. Sweetheart. If you hear me out, look at me. If you do CPR, the blood will come out, okay? Calm down. We called it in already. We got it. I got it. The ambulance is on the way. I hear you.
Just a vibration.
Here, back up for me. She stabbed you? Let me see. You got something to help clog it up? Do you have something to clog it up? Do you have something to clog it up? Do you have something to clog it up? Can you give me something to help clog this up? Please. Breathe.
Just a vibration.
You got
You got the trauma going?
CC, you hear? CC, you hear? CC,
This the
CC,
kid
you
going.
hear?
The
CC, come on, tell me you hear? CC, you hear? Hear my voice, you hear?
After the incident, the suspect identified as 38-year-old Cynthia Gilbert, as well as the man she attacked, were transported to the local ER where they both recovered. Cynthia has been charged for attempted murder and attempted assault. The case is still pending in court.